Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in automotive history reborn for a new era. Say hello to the 2025 P-51 Mustang. No, we're not talking about the legendary World War II fighter plane, but a stunning modern performance car that draws inspiration from both aviation and muscle car heritage. Let's get into what makes this machine so special, why enthusiasts are already going crazy for it, and whether it deserves a place in your garage. Now, for those who aren't familiar, the P-51 name originally belonged to a fighter aircraft built by North American Aviation. It was fast, aggressive, and ahead of its time. Fast forward to 2025, and that spirit is being reimagined in a high-performance road car designed to stir the same emotions. The 2025 P-51 Mustang is not a typical Ford Mustang variant. It's a standalone model inspired by the legacy of speed and power. It's more of a tribute vehicle, merging classic muscle design with cutting-edge performance and technology. Let's talk about what's under the hood first. The 2025 P-51 Mustang comes equipped with the monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This power plant is based on Ford's Predator engine, seen in the Shelby GT500. But it's been significantly tuned and re-engineered for even higher performance. We're talking an output of around 825 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. That kind of raw power launches this car from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering lightning-fast shifts. However, for purists, a manual transmission option is also being offered, which is a rare and welcome decision in today's increasingly automatic-only performance market. The manual is a 6-speed DreamHack gearbox with a short throw shifter and rev matching, giving you full control and an engaging driving experience. Now let's talk about design. The 2025 P-51 Mustang takes retro inspiration and blends it with modern aerodynamic lines. You'll immediately notice the long hood, aggressive front fascia, and muscular rear haunches that pay homage to classic muscle cars. The car sits lower and wider than the standard Mustang, giving it a more planted stance and improved aerodynamics. Carbon fiber is used extensively throughout the body to keep the weight down on the hood, roof, splitter, and rear diffuser. One standout feature is the aviation-inspired details throughout the design. The front grille incorporates a subtle propeller design, and the side mirrors mimic the winglets of a jet. There are also P-51 aircraft markings on the sides and custom badging on the tail and interior that tie the car's look back to its airborne namesake. The wheels are forged aluminum 20 inches, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires for maximum grip. Behind those wheels sit massive carbon ceramic brakes that offer incredible stopping power, which is absolutely necessary when you're pushing over 800 horsepower on the road. Inside the cabin, it's a mix of modern luxury and racing focus. You get high-bolstered Recaro racing seats wrapped in Alcantara and leather, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aviation-style toggle switches on the dash. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing everything from boost pressure and oil temp to G-force and lap times. There's also a heads-up display that projects vital data onto the windshield, again echoing the aircraft theme. Technology-wise, the 2025 P-51 Mustang doesn't hold back. It's equipped with the latest Sync 5 infotainment system, featuring a large 13.2-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium BO sound system. But don't be fooled, this car is not about lounging and listening to music. Everything in the cabin is oriented toward performance driving. The suspension setup includes adaptive MagneRide dampers, which automatically adjust in real time to the road conditions. You can switch between multiple drive modes, including normal, sport, track, and drag strip, each changing the throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and exhaust note. Yes, the exhaust is active, and in track mode, it delivers a brutal roar that sounds like a jet taking off. Handling is tight, thanks to a revised chassis with additional bracing and a wider track. The P-51 Mustang feels incredibly planted at high speeds and sharpened corners. The rear differential is electronically controlled and torque vectoring helps with precision during aggressive driving. It's not just about going fast in a straight line. This car is built for performance on road and track alike. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. You get a full suite of driver assist technologies including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. But all of this can be dialed back or turned off entirely for those who want a raw, unfiltered driving experience. Now let's talk numbers. The price of the 2025 P-51 Mustang starts at around $135,000, and that's before options or custom builds. It's not cheap, but when you consider the performance, design, and exclusivity, it's actually a strong value proposition compared to European supercars with similar specs. Only about 500 units will be built in the first production run, making it a rare collector's item right out of the gate. So who is this car for? It's for the enthusiast who wants American muscle heritage with modern-day performance. It's for collectors who appreciate the vehicle that tells a story and not just about cars, but about aviation, power, and freedom. It's also for thrill seekers who want something that can tear up the track on Sunday and still be driven comfortably to dinner on Monday. Of course, this car isn't for everyone. It's loud, bold, and unapologetically aggressive. It demands respect and attention, both from the driver and from everyone around it. But for those who get behind the wheel, the 2025 P-51 Mustang offers a driving experience that's visceral, emotional, and unforgettable. To sum it up, the 2025 P-51 Mustang isn't just a new car. It's a tribute to a legendary machine, reimagined for a new generation, with outrageous power, advanced tech, stunning design, and a touch of history. It stands out in a world full of electric SUVs and bland performance sedans. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or just someone who loves performance and history blended into one incredible package, the P-51 Mustang demands a spot on your radar. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Auto Vehicle Info, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Drop your thoughts about the 2025 P-51 Mustang in the comments below. Would you buy it, or is it too wild for the road? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.